Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be reviewing the Wahl Clipper USA Deluxe. So, is this the best hair clippers or you should avoid it? This is what we will be finding out in this video. As you can see that currently I'm on Amazon.com, and I will also put its link down in the description so that you could read the reviews of the product on Amazon very clearly. So this is the product, and here you will notice that the product received 4.4 stars rating out of 5, and around the ratings is given by 17,000 people. 70% gave it 5-star rating and 40% gave it 4-star rating. Here, if you click on the ratings tab, you can read the comments, you can view the real time images that people have uploaded, and then you can make up your mind why people are liking this product and why are they not liking the product once you see the 1-star review, and then you can make up your mind whether you want to purchase it or not. But the majority of the people liking this product, so you can definitely go ahead for it. If you want to know more about its features, so you can read the information that is given in the about this item section. So that was it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.